Hello YouTube, and in this tutorial video we're going to look at how to speed up your computer. And the simple way to do this is to install a program called CCleaner. So what you want to do is just type in CCleaner into a search engine and click on the first link that comes up and then press the download button. Just want to download the free version, where you do get a 2-week trial. So that will just be downloading now. In the meantime, another quick trick to speed up your computer, if you go to Start and type in Msconfig, and then so if you're on Windows 7, you search for that and you click on it, and it basically allows you to turn off startup programs. So you will need administrator privileges to run it. If you're on Windows 10, what you do is you go to your task manager, right click on the taskbar, click on Task Manager, Start Task Manager, and then there should be a little startup tab, and you would, Windows 10 or Windows 11, you would adjust the startup items there. And you can turn on and off certain startup programs. As soon as it's downloaded, you just want to go into your downloads on your browser and open it up. So here I'll just show you Msconfig quickly. You've probably already gone to on this. Basically, you just untick the startup programs that you don't need. So for example, you might not want Steam startup, you might not want Discord startup, so you can uncheck the box. Your PC will load up faster and it will be ready to use quicker. It won't be like if you have lots of startup programs, you'll find that your computer is like unusable for the first 5 minutes because it's loading up all the startup programs in the background. So that's just you can also go into services, click on hide all Microsoft services and turn off some of those as well, and that'll help free up this RAM in your computer. So yeah, so I don't need Logitech gaming software to start up with my computer, so I'm going to turn it off now. Java I barely use, so turn that off as well. And so there, you just restart your computer. So also, it takes you in a pop-up box saying, do you want to allow the program to make the following changes to your computer? Just click on yes and wait for it to load. So now the Windows popped up, you just click on install. You can customize it if you want to. I'm just going to go for a quick install. So now just click on Start My Trial. Wait for it to activate. It'll open up your browser with some system stuff. So yeah. Just wait for it. So it'll open up. You'll get the professional edition for 14 days. After that, it'll downgrade to the free version, unless you buy the professional version. So you can do the professional version features. You can do the health check, automatic cleaning, move trackers when you close your browser, and updates drivers if you device errors and crashes. So what we want to do been a while since I've used this, but we'll just go into a custom clean, and this will just so clear your like your cookies and stuff like that. So now what I'll do is I'll analyze and then run the cleaner. So you want to press analyze, and then it will scan through the files, and when it's finished you want to press run the cleaner. Now you can see it'll come up with a list of stuff to remove on the size of the stuff that will come up. So once you're happy with the stuff you want to delete, just click on run cleaner, press continue. It should very quickly clean up the files, so we'll just see how much space we have on our computer right now. So we've got 5.83 gigabytes free, and we'll pause the video now, and when it's finished we'll come back and see how much is free now. So now you can see that it's removed 8,906 megabytes, which is nearly 9 gigabytes. So if we open up my computer now, you can see I've got 14 gigabytes free, which isn't enough for me considering I have full 60 gigabyte drive, but well, hopefully it will help. So I can install programs, see if that'll let me boost my speed and install the performance optimizer, which is a new feature. So yeah, so we can, there's also the driver update as well to run the registry cleaner. Just various tools and so much startup items. If you don't want to do it for Msconfig, you can do it there. So drive wiper system storage, you can find various things. So yeah, it's a really great program, and it's free as well. So yeah, thanks. Hope this video helped you to speed up your computer, and thank you so much for watching. Peace.